Greece is supporting the European perspectives of all Western Balkan countries, but this is a merit-based process. So we wanted to emphasize that North Macedonia has already delivered with Prespa agreement and important serious reforms related to the new legislation about organized crime, civil service reform, and they will continue to deliver. We, the European Union, should deliver back. That was the basic, the essential message of this meeting, that there is a clear interest both for the European Union, North Macedonia, our people, and for the European idea itself to proceed in June by encouraging the European perspectives of our northern neighbor.
What are the chances in June there to be a decision granting a start of accession negotiations talks for North Macedonia, having in mind some bit skeptical member states like France concerning future enlargement?
There are some legitimate concerns, taking into account the present state of the play in the European Union. We have a clash of ideas on what kind of Europe we want. But we think that exactly for this reason, because North Macedonia has embraced the idea of open societies, resolving problems through dialogue, rejecting bigotry and xenophobia, that we should encourage its accession, because it would help all us Europeans who believe in Europe of human rights, liberties, not to the Europe fortress, to reinforce our position.
And finally, are you satisfied with the so far implementation of the Prespa agreement?
Yes, there are problems, but they are both of us are examining problems that they exist, and we try to resolve them immediately. So that we have both commitment to respect the spirit and the letter of the Prespa agreement, and despite problems that occur, and it's very logical to occur, we face them.